What are the biggest military bases in Texas, driving the $148 billion economic impact? These installations are not just huge in size, but also powerhouse engines fueling Texas' economy like you never imagined. Fort Hood, located near Killeen, Texas, is the largest active-duty armored post in the entire U.S. It occupies over 214,000 acres and houses more than 40,000 soldiers. Beyond its military might, Fort Hood pumps billions of dollars into the Texas economy each year. This base supports thousands of jobs, both military and civilian, and its local spending ripples through nearby communities, driving construction, retail, and service industries. Its role in training and operations makes it a critical economic pillar far beyond just defense. Joint Base San Antonio is actually a fusion of three major bases: Fort Sam Houston, Lackland Air Force Base, and Randolph Air Force Base. Together, they form one of the largest military installations in the country by personnel count, employing over 80,000 military, civilian, and contractor staff. This massive workforce drives a substantial economic footprint in the San Antonio area and beyond. The medical, training, and aviation missions carried out here support innovation and community development, making JBSA a vital economic engine for Texas. Naval Air Station Corpus Christi is a key training hub for Navy and Marine Corps aviators. Each year, thousands of pilots receive their flight training here, preparing them for critical roles worldwide. This base's operations generate substantial economic activity in the Corpus Christi area by creating thousands of jobs and contracts for local businesses. The presence of NAS Corpus Christi helps maintain Texas, standing as a strategic military and economic powerhouse. All these bases combined contribute a staggering $148 billion every year to Texas' economy. This figure includes direct military and civilian payrolls, contracts with local businesses, and the ripple effects of spending in nearby communities. The jobs created span from construction and retail to specialized defense industries. This economic powerhouse status underscores how Texas military installations are not just defense assets, but also vital economic engines that shape local economies and livelihoods across the state. Texas hosts some of the largest military bases in the country, each a vital driver of an astonishing $148 billion annual economic impact. From Fort Hood's sprawling grounds to the combined might of Joint Base San Antonio, these installations power local economies and communities in ways you might never have guessed. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and discover more surprising facts every day.